Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where we explore the most futuristic machines, groundbreaking technologies, and innovations that are transforming the world of heavy equipment and vehicles. If you're passionate about engineering marvels and want to see the future of farming, construction, and transport, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from us. Today, we're diving into one of the most revolutionary agricultural machines of 2026. The Caterpillar Electric Nut Harvester. Agriculture has always been at the heart of human progress, and with modern challenges like labor shortages, sustainability goals, and efficiency demands, the need for smarter solutions is greater than ever. Caterpillar, a company globally recognized for its powerful construction and mining equipment, has now made a surprising yet highly impactful leap into the agricultural sector with this all-electric nut harvester. This machine is not just a tool, it's a sign of how farming is adapting to a cleaner, smarter, and more efficient future. The Caterpillar Electric Nut Harvester of 2026 is designed to transform the way nut farming is done. Traditional nut harvesting is often noisy, fuel-intensive, and labor-heavy. But Caterpillar's innovation replaces diesel engines with a high-capacity electric powertrain, which means the harvester runs almost silently, cuts emissions to zero, and drastically reduces operational costs for farmers. This is particularly important for farms that operate on large scales, where even small savings in fuel or maintenance add up to massive yearly benefits. At the core of the machine lies a powerful electric motor, powered by advanced lithium titanate battery packs developed specifically for heavy-duty use. These batteries can last an entire day of harvesting on a single charge, something that was almost unthinkable just a few years ago. And when it's time to recharge, the system supports rapid charging, allowing the machine to be back in action with minimal downtime. Caterpillar has also integrated regenerative braking and motion systems, meaning energy is recaptured as the harvester moves and performs its operations, making it even more energy efficient. One of the most impressive features is its precision harvesting system. Using a combination of advanced sensors, AI-driven automation, and robotic arms, the harvester can shake nut trees gently but effectively, collect the nuts with minimal waste, and sort debris on the spot. This reduces the manual labor required and ensures higher quality yield. Farmers no longer have to worry about damaging trees or losing significant portions of their crop during collection. The system is designed to work with different nut varieties, such as almonds, walnuts, and pecans, making it versatile for various types of farms. Comfort and usability have also been taken into account. Caterpillar's operator cabin is fully redesigned for agricultural needs, featuring panoramic visibility, ergonomic controls, and touchscreen dashboards that display everything from battery levels to real-time harvesting statistics. Autonomous and semi-autonomous driving modes are included, giving farmers the option to let the machine operate on pre-programmed routes with minimal supervision. This is a huge time saver, especially for large orchards. Sustainability is another key highlight. By eliminating diesel engines, Caterpillar's electric nut harvester significantly reduces the carbon footprint of farming operations. Noise pollution is almost non-existent, which benefits not only workers, but also nearby communities and even the environment itself. This machine reflects Caterpillar's broader commitment to sustainable machinery, proving that green technology can be just as powerful, if not more powerful, than traditional methods. Durability has always been Caterpillar's trademark, and this harvester is no exception. Built with reinforced steel frames, weather-resistant components, and smart maintenance alerts, the machine is designed to withstand years of heavy agricultural use. Caterpillar has also made sure that farmers don't feel left behind in terms of service. The electric nut harvester comes with digital connectivity, allowing remote diagnostics, software updates, and predictive maintenance scheduling. That means downtime is minimized and productivity is maximized. The Caterpillar Electric Nut Harvester of 2026 is more than just a farming machine, it's a glimpse into the future of agriculture. It represents the fusion of advanced engineering, AI-driven farming, and environmentally friendly practices. By making harvesting faster, cleaner, and more efficient, Caterpillar is helping farmers meet the growing global demand for food while protecting the planet for future generations. So, whether you're a farmer, a machinery enthusiast, or just someone fascinated by how technology continues to reshape our world, this electric nut harvester is proof that innovation never stops. Farming may be one of humanity's oldest practices, but with machines like this, it's clear that the future of agriculture will be smarter, greener, and more productive than ever. Thank you for watching Daily Drives. If you enjoyed learning about the Caterpillar Electric Nut Harvester 2026, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Which feature of this futuristic machine impressed you the most? Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated with more videos on the most advanced machines shaping our future. Until next time, keep your engines running and your curiosity alive.